लेकिन तुम लोगों से कभी कभी डर लगता है कुछ बात साहब। हम यहाँ बोर्ड पर तुम लोगों के लिए मदद करते हैं, ऊपर से मालूम नहीं फिर।
ऐसा नहीं है,
हाँ,
हम
ऐसा
लोग
ऐसा
बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं सर
हाँ,
आप।
करना मत ऐसा, नहीं तो
नहीं,
दिक्कत
बहुत
में आ जाओगे।
नहीं सर, बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते
हाँ
हैं।
ठीक है।
नहीं आई लोचे सर, ये फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन है सर।
हाँ
On behalf of Guddu.
गुड्डू सर, प्लीज सी द ऑर्डर डेटेड 5/5/25
5/5
को एक्यूज हैज बीन रिलीज्ड ऑन बेल मान।
एठा को दे दी थी,
सर।
उसी में तो लिखा हुआ है मेन एक्यूजिशन वीर सिंह और गुड्डू के ऊपर है,
इसमें सिर्फ
लाठी से मारने का।
एक आई विटनेस है, वही होस्टाइल, सिर्फ एक आई विटनेस।
होने दीजिए।
PW
FSL रिपोर्ट में क्या आया?
FSL एग्जिट P39
एग्जिबिट P39
पैरा 42 पे है सर, जजमेंट की पैरा 42।
वकील साहब, आप हाई कोर्ट में बहस करना चाहते हैं तो कृपा करके जो है रिकॉर्ड इकट्ठा करिए और उससे बहस करिए। ये पर रख कर नहीं पाए। इसकी पेंट ये डंडा है,
वही
ये पर मानव रख, ये बीच सिंह बॉल की शर्ट। डॉक्टर इज पोस्टमार्टम, डॉक्टर इज
बता रहा हूँ सर,
12 डॉक्टर आलोक गुप्ता।
PW
12
चारों का कन्विक्शन है,
3 को।
लाखन को छोड़ दिया हो।
यस
एक ही डॉक्टर एग्जामिन हुआ है।
यस सर,
हैं?
यस सर।
एक तो वो जिसने सूचना दी थी 9
हाँ क्या
DB प्रजापति।
क्या कह रहे हैं वो? 9 सिंगल इंजरी का केस है वकील साहब, हैं? क्या बोल रहे हैं? नहीं बताइए ना कुछ, अभी तो विरोध में बोलिए।
जहाँ रहता वहाँ बता दे,
हैं?
जहाँ रहता वहाँ बता दे।
हाँ सिंगल इंजरी का केस है और मेन 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 जो एलिगेशन है वो वीर सिंह के ऊपर है।
दोनों के ऊपर ये वीर सिंह और गुड्डू दोनों है। सीजर हैंड से
हाँ
लाठी जब्त हुई है।
304 में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, 7 साल कर देते हैं, बाकी दो एक का एक्विटल कर देते हैं, सेठ सेठ और कौशल का।
सस्पेंशन
क्या?
तो इनमें से भी एक
ठीक है
लगाइए।
10 साल बढ़ जाएगा अभी आसानी से।
सस्पेंशन कर दें आप।
अरे अपील डिसाइड कर दे रहे हैं ना,
कर दे
5 साल तो होने को आ गए तुम्हें,
कर दे
2 साल में और भविष्य निर्धारित हो गया तुम्हारा।
PM रिपोर्ट में ड्यू टू एक्सेस ब्लीडिंग
हाँ
कॉज ऑफ डेथ।
हाँ एक ही इंजरी है सर पे, दिखा दें सर। दिस अपील इज हर्ड फाइनली, learned counsel for the क्या लिखा 304 वाला जजमेंट, being aggrieved of judgment dated 23 January 2023 passed by learned first additional session judge Panna district Panna in ST number 69/2021 full stop. It is submitted that as per the prosecution story on 16/11/2020 when complainant Omkar Singh alias Bablu Gond PW1 was celebrating Diwali, he had received intimation that his father was being beaten by the accused persons. Full stop. He had reported the matter to PW16 Sub-Inspector Siddharth Sharma and had informed that PW5 Satole Singh had informed him that near Pangata Nala, his father Sone Singh is being beaten by Guddu, Viru, Seth and Lallu Gond. Full stop. When he reached the spot, after informing PW6 Arjun and PW8 Bhagat, then he found his father to be lying in the Nala. Full stop. He had seen Guddu and Viru beating his father with lathis. Full stop. Lallu Gond and Seth were abusing him. Full stop. There was a stone in the hands of Seth Elias Kaushal, and when he exhorted, when he shouted for help, then Seth threatened him. Full stop. Thus, it is submitted that it's a case of dispute between. Oh, it's a dispute. It's a case of old dispute between the appellants and the deceased, as projected by the prosecution. As per PW 12, postmortem doctor,
12, Dr. Alok Gupta.
PW 12, Dr. Alok Gupta, there was single injury on his head, on the left hand side of his head, measuring 8 into 2 into 2 centimeter, which was a lacerated कटा फटा था क्या दिक्कत साइज तो नहीं है lacerated wound. Full stop. As a result of this injury, his left ear had distorted and there was fracture in the temporal bone. Full stop. Left jaw too had distorted and there was fracture of mandible. Full stop. It is submitted that it's a case of sudden fight. Testimony of PW1 as so-called eyewitness is not very reliable. Full stop. Even otherwise, in case of the injuries which have been recorded by PW 12 Dr. Alok Gupta while performing postmortem of the deceased Sone Singh, comma, it will be a case under section 304 part 2 IPC, as the incident took place at the spur of the movement. Old enmity could not be established, and thirdly, it has come on record and admitted by PW1 that name of Lallu alias Lakhan was wrongly mentioned in Dehati Nalchi. Full stop. Next para. Shri Kushwaha submits that in fact it's a case of over implication. At best, allegation is on Veer Singh alias Viru and Guddu alias Balbir Singh of causing injuries. Full stop. It is pointed out that as per Exhibit P39 FSL report, comma, human blood was found on shirt article K of Veer Singh Gond and not on any other article. Full stop. Thus, there are general and omnibus allegations against others with a view to settle old discourse. Full stop. It is also next para. It is also pointed out that in fact no blood was found on I, which is pent of the appellant Guddu, and J, which is the danda recovered at the instance of Guddu. And as per the medical evidence, this being a case of single injury, appropriate steps be taken to acquit others and convert conviction of Veer Singh alias Viru to section 304 part 2 IPC. Next para. Shri Nitin Gupta opposes the prayer and submits that impugned judgment be maintained as such. Next para. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and going through the record. Supreme Court in Stalin versus State, represented by the Inspector of Police, 2020 का 9 SCC 524, has held that even in case of a single injury, there is no hard and fast rule that in case of single injury, section 302 would not be attracted. Full stop. It depends upon the facts and circumstances of each case. Full stop. The nature of injury, comma, the part of the body where it is caused, comma, the weapon used in causing such injury are the indicators of the fact, comma, whether the accused caused the death of the deceased with an intention of causing death or not. Full stop. It cannot be laid down as a rule of universal application, comma, that whenever the death occurs on account of a single blow, comma, section 302 IPC is ruled out. Next para. सुप्रीम कोर्ट इन जुगोतराम वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ 2020 का 9 SCC has held that SCC 520 has held that assault not premeditated but took place in the heat of passion due to land dispute is likely to be converted into 304 part 2 IPC. Full stop. Next para. In the present case, PW1 in cross-examination has admitted that Sone Singh, Matole Singh alias Shyam Singh are related to each other. They were celebrating Deepavali along with other villagers in the house of Matole Singh. Full stop. Satole Singh had informed him at the house of Matole Singh about the incident. Full stop. Satole Singh is PW.
5
इन्होंने क्या किया है? सपोर्ट किया है?
नहीं सर होस्ट है
Full stop. It has also come on record that PW1 admitted that when he reached his father, he was not speaking. Full stop.
मुझे लग रहा है मालूम ये कोर्ट स्टेट के पीट लगी थी तेरे अंदर को मुखा रहा है इन गानों को लगना है ये वो लगता है ये बहुत बोलने से तो आप मैंने इनको मार के बोला है अनएक्सपेक्टेड मारेंगे
There is omission in the statements exhibit P1 given by this witness PW1 Omkar Singh alias Bablu. In regard to conduct of appellant Seth alias Kaushal. Full stop. In exhibit P1 Dehati Nalashi, it is not mentioned that Seth was carrying had thrown a stone on the body of Sone Singh. Full stop. In para 30, this witness admits that after 13th day ceremony of his father, he had recorded his statements to the police. In para 31, he admits that for last 8-10 years, there was no altercation between him and the accused persons, nor there was any case. Full stop. He further admits that his father Sone Singh had enmity with the accused persons, which was 18-19 years old. He alleged that when his father was released from jail, झूठ कर लीजिए, झूठ कर नहीं लिख पाते. Then accused persons had
Sarma, son of Satish Sarma.
killed his brother. Full stop. In para 34, this witness has admitted that 2-3 days prior to the incident, a dispute had occurred between his father and his uncle. Full stop.
Yes, मेरा फोन लगा दो एक बार अपने लेवल पे आधे घंटे मंडे से लगाते नहीं है इसका
PW 5, Satole Singh was declared hostile. He has not supported prosecution case. In para 3, he admits that Sone Singh had killed father of Gundu and Biru and brother of Lallu, namely Nanna Gond. Full stop. Since then, there was enmity between the parties. Full stop. In para 6, this witness admitted that when PW1, PW5 and others had reached the place of the incident, that time accused persons were not present. Full stop. Thus, only evidence to connect the accused persons is the recovery wide exhibit P39, and that recovery is qua appellant Veer Singh alias Veeru and not against Guddu alias Balveer Singh or Seth alias Kaushal. Full stop. Next para. We are conscious that enmity is a double-edged sword. Both PW1 and PW2 have admitted that there was old enmity on account of deceased Sone Singh committed murder of the उसका नाम PW5 PW5
ये लो
हाँ सर ऊपर नीचे हाँ PW5 has admitted that Sone Singh had Sone Singh had caused murder of Nanna Gond. Full stop. And these facts are taken into consideration, then we are of the opinion that PW12 Dr. Alok Gupta has categorically noted that cause of death was on account of excessive bleeding from the vital part, that is the brain, resulting in cardiorespiratory failure. Full stop. He has admitted that such injuries were caused by hard and blunt object, and that being attributable to Veer Singh, and there being Veer Singh, comma, in the light of the judgment of Supreme Court in Jugat Ram, we are of the opinion that conviction recorded against Guddu alias Balbir Singh, son of Vishwanath Singh, and Seth alias Kaushal, son of Gulab Singh, is not made out. They are acquitted from the charges. They are acquitted. Okay. As far as Veer Singh is concerned, his conviction is converted from 302/34 to 304 Part 2 IPC and is directed to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 7 years with fine of rupees 10,000. वो सब बाकी कर देना उसको।
I want only 1 week for filing to the subjudice victim, my lord.
देखिए
9 and 9.1.
Shri Nitin Gupta praised for and is granted 7 days time to serve the victim list thereafter. क्या आपने होलसेल डीलर हो गए क्या आज?